Take a ride in the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.